A cyclone is a large system of high winds that circulate, creating some of the most powerful storms. We harnessed that power into CYCLONE Intensive Ceramic Tile and Grout Cleaner. This concentrated, heavy-duty alkaline cleaner powers through ingrained dirt, oils, greases, and waxes on ceramic and porcelain tile surfaces. CYCLONE also works its way down and into the grout lines to deliver an impressive cleaning to get your grout lines bright white and your tile surfaces back to their original appearance. When just any tile cleaner won't do, bring the storm with CYCLONE Intensive Ceramic Tile and Grout Cleaner.